All right, here we go with 1, 2, 3, 7 retail blaster boxes of Topps Chrome picked up from Target. So they're going to have the exclusive Target cards instead of the Walmart. So here we go. Go ahead, man. Grab your box. Start ripping. We'll just stack them up like we normally do and then go through them after. Maybe we can get some hits this time.
Like we did with that one card.
Right. Got to do something to take our mind off that terrible loss last night. Good Lord.
So your favorite player is that Jake Ryan, dude?
I don't know, man. He played one heck of a game last night, that's for sure.
Yeah, but not my game. Yeah, 16, I got 2 6-6s, one with Baja and one with Then we won 66-56.
Is that right?
It was pretty good.
Well, I wish we could have won our game like that. What's that?
Is it okay if I risk off?
Yeah, I don't care. You shouldn't have to, but go ahead. Get out, man. The Panthers are just going to lay the smack on these guys, aren't they? I know, right? And he just threw another pick.
Someone got hurt, though.
He's not hurt. He's like, you know what? We're getting our butts kicked. I don't want to play anymore. Oh, man. Craziness. You know, we have been pulling some autos in some of these retail boxes.
Yeah.
Remember last time we pulled an auto? Let's hope we pull a couple more. Shoot, we got 7 boxes to look through.
These packs are weird looking.
Yeah, why? Well, they're just different from the hobby, I think.
Packs are just so lumpy.
Yeah, at least I checked these this time instead of the ones we got from that other store, and I opened them up. Remember, they weren't even Topps cards. They were score. Somebody had bought the cards, opened the pack, got what they wanted out of it, and then put junk cards in the place, and I bought them.
So who are all left in the playoffs?
Well, who do you think? You don't know?
Panthers, Seahawks, Patriots.
Cardinals. Panthers, Seahawks, Cardinals. And then on the other side, yep. And then on the other, in the AFC, it's who?
Broncos.
Patriots and Steelers. Just who cares? We'll pick it up later. I tell you what, though, you know, as far as these autos go in these retail boxes, I don't remember the last time I've ever pulled an auto out of a retail box. Ever.
Except that time ago.
Except what?
That one time ago. When we opened the 2015 stuff.
Did we pull an auto? Well, that's what I mean. 2015, that's this year's cards, Chrome or base set. It's still, I don't remember another year pulling an auto. They didn't even really have autograph cards
Full patch.
back when I was your age.
What about patches?
No, they didn't have patches then either. Back in the mid-80s, it was just base set. That was it. If you opened a wax pack of cards, chewed on the stale gum, and you were lucky to make a full set.
And others.
Alright, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to start going through my cards.
What about those?
What? Oh, yeah, I should have opened the... What are they? I think purple was Walmart, so these must be orange. Oh no, these are purple. Maybe they're all purple this time, I don't know. Usually they're two different colors. Usually Walmart has the purple and Target has the orange.
Target, I like the orange ones.
You like the what?
I like orange border cards. Or blue.
Alright, so we got them all open. Alright, so let's check this out here. See what we pulled. Vincent Jackson, Darren Carr, Bobby Wagner, Refractor. Alex Carter, Travis Lewis, Tom Gurley, Green. Oh, Steve Young, Super Bowl 50. Stephon Diggs, Bridgewater, Jason Witten, Vince Mail, Molly, Troy Polamalu, Jordy Nelson, Refractor, Tony Romo, Sammy Coates, Superfractor. We got a Blue Prism, Brandon Sheriff, unnumbered.
24 is 0 for me.
Jameis Winston, rookie card, Aaron Rodgers, Eddie Lacy, Ben Roethlisberger refractor, Chris Conley, green, Brett Favre. Hey, look at that. You know what's awesome about that? If you hold this card to the side and come around and look, it's the jersey he's wearing in this card is the jersey that I got of him autographed right there on the wall. Look. Isn't that cool? How cool is that? It's not numbered, but that's pretty neat. What are the chances? TJ Yeldon, Cam Chancellor, DeMarco Murray, Dorial Green Beckham, Rob Gronkowski, Joe Flacco Green, Andrew Luck, 60th anniversary. Randall Cobb, Luke Kuechly, Shane Carden, Tony Lippett, Huddle card, Derek Carr, Matthew Stafford, Danielle Hunter, refractor. Travis Kelce, Vincent Jackson, David Johnson, Superfractor, or Super Rookie. Bo Wallace, Eric Berry, Derek Carr, blue border. Eddie Goldman. Nate Richard, refractor. Javoris Allen, Terrell Suggs, T.Y. Hilton, green. Paul Hornung, Super Bowl on the 50. Insert. Lamar Miller, Nick Foles, Antoine Brown, Harold Andrew Luck, Patrick Peterson, Namakan Sue refractor. Bryce Petty super rookie. It's like, Mark Ingram, Griffin III, Calvin Johnson. He better not retire. Peyton Manning, Julio Jones, and Marshawn Lynch. Alright, last stack of regulars for me. Jadeveon Clowney, Trey Waynes, Green, Emmitt Smith, 60th anniversary. Trey Mason, Devontae Parker, green border. Robert Griffin III, 60th anniversary.
All those things fit in this whole box.
Wow. Bo Jackson, 1,000-yard club. Well, that's a cool insert. Sammy Coates. J.J. Watt, C.J. Anderson, Tannehill, Devin Smith, Kuechly, the Gronk, Tevin Coleman, super rookie. Randall Cobb, Tevin Coleman, and Paul Dawson. I guess I'm almost finished here. Let me just go through my purples. See what we got for a purple. Stephon Diggs.
Yeah, then.
Nobody good, man.
Well, you're not expected.
Michael Bennett. He's good. Other than that. Alright.
That's your butt. It's your butt.
Here, you just want to sit in my seat?
Sure.
Okay, here, hold on a second. You don't have to sort them out. We'll do that after we're done showing everybody what we got. I'll just move my stuff out of the way here. And that way you can have the space. I like those inserts. Those were cool. Here you go. Have at her, bud.
Doing that cha-cha slide thing.
You gotta hold them out just a little bit further, see? There you go. You don't have to go through every one. We're trying to find some good hits.
Kevin Benjamin. Dante Freeman. Super rookie of T.J.
T.J. Yeldon. That's cool. He's a good guy.
Terrence McGee. Ryan Tannehill. Matt Ryan, Bluebirder. Matt Ryan.
They put the insert right next to the regular card.
And David Smith on one of these butts.
Come on, Otto.
I'm playing right now. Garrett Grayson.
Randall Cobb, baby. Look at that.
Randall Cobb.
Cool. Look on the back, because that must be 60th anniversary. Yeah, cool.
Paul Dawson.
Oh, we got our first numbered card. Melvin Gordon. You know who he played for?
The Badgers.
Yes, sir. What number is it?
298 out of 499.
Cool. Camo border.
Eddie Lacy.
Oh, we got another one. You get all the hits. Pink border.
LaDainian Collins.
Lael Collins. What number is it?
It is number 31 At a $3.99.
Cool. 2 numbered cards. Maybe you get the auto too. That'd be sweet.
Davian Clowney. Calvin Johnson. Oh, I thought this.
60th anniversary.
This great Grandin
Gary
Thurston.
Grayson.
It just keeps coming up. Phil Simms.
4,000 yard club. Cool.
Nelson Ayer. Super
Aguilar.
Rookie.
Aguilar. Yep.
Where's the Super Rookie belt? Jonathan Stewart. And Danny Shelton. Trey Mason. One of those. Melvin Gordon. Andrew Queen. That's Brian.
60th anniversary. Cool.
Sammy Coops. Two more stacks. Panthers are just getting burning the other team. Devontae Funchess. Devin Funchess.
Yep, super rookie. I like those super rookies. I think that's a throwback to something.
Devin Lewis. Blake Borders. Kevin Parker and Jeff Herman.
Well, unless they made a auto in the purple, we didn't get no autos, man. We got ripped off. That's all right.
Bo Wallace. Jason Crowner. Tony Lippett. Elvin Durpin. Philip Forrest. Jeremy Langford. Andres Pete. Tevin Coleman. Shraden Garden. David Johnson. And these two cards.
Cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Check out our other videos. We're starting to do some online breakers from blowout cards. So check out our other videos and tell us what you think. Thanks.